Hey Bert, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I actually spoke to your Tampa office today and I wanted to take a quick minute to shoot over that video we spoke about. So I'm going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting to that #1 spot on Google and see what you can do today to bring the most value and start outranking your competitors online. The first thing I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for, say, fencing Tampa, Florida, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services you offer and what areas you serve. So your site looks great. Has a call to action page here in the top. A decent amount of content, but that's really not enough content. So Google loves content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, using those keywords about 10 to 15 times at the minimum. It'll really make a difference in you being found. And we go and search for fencing Tampa, Florida. This area at the top is called the map pack. So these are all the companies that have a Google My Business page. So I'm not sure if you guys have a GMB or not, but I couldn't find you on the first page here and you're not listed in these top 3 positions. You really want to try and be positioned in these top 3 because these guys are the easiest found and they're going to be getting the most phone calls. People aren't going to scroll to the next page and the next page in order to find your company. They're going to choose one of these top guys. So if we keep going down a little bit further, this is called the organic listings. It's super important to be on the first page of this as well, ideally again in the top 3. And I did see that you guys are on the first page right here. So that's a great position to be in. So let's see what we can do to get you to that #1 spot. So if we look at their site, their site looks really good too. And it has a decent amount of content on it. So this is really a lot of the reason why they're ranking above you guys. So if you could just add some content to your page and outbeat the content and the keywords that they have, I think you'd really be in good shape and you'd start to rank in one of those top positions. So I'm not sure how much you know about this, but this is a program I use called Ahrefs, and it basically analyzes a website and shows you what you're up against and what you need to do to beat out your competitors. So this is the UR and the DR rating. So these numbers are super important in Google's eyes. They have a 39 and an 18, which is pretty good. So the UR is how much Google trusts your site, and the DR is how powerful your site is. And these are typically raised by the backlinks. So the backlinks that they have are over 1,000, coming from 331 referring domains. And out of those, 181 are super powerful sites. And you want to make sure that you're grabbing backlinks that aren't spammy. You want to grab backlinks that are relevant to your scope of work, the services that you offer, and the areas that you serve. And they have 669 keywords, and they have over 1,000 people coming to their site per month. So that's a lot of the reason why they are listed #1. So when we go and look at your site, you actually have over 1,000 people coming to your site per month as well. You have a decent amount of backlinks coming from actually pretty powerful domains as well. So I think if you could just add some of that content to your homepage, getting that 1,500 minimum words and using those keywords at least 10 to 15 times, I think it would be super easy to outrank that competition and get to that #1 spot in no time. All right, Bert, I hope you found this helpful and you can implement some of these strategies. Please feel free to leave me some feedback, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks. Have a great night.